It's been a while since I made a video full length, and I apologize. We got a 1968 Nova here we're going to be starting to build on the channel. I want you to comment, I want you to show your support, and I also want you to comment to give me some ideas of this. I'm going to give you a walk around of it, and you can tell me what you can spot with your own eyes I might overlooked. It's a 1968 4-door Nova, not a 2-door. I am going to be converting it to a 2-door here on the channel, so if you ever wanted to see that done, I will be making very detailed videos of the 2-door to from 4-door to 2-door swap, because 4-doors are usually cheaper and they're getting more affordable, and they actually getting more common than you might think than the 2-doors. The 2-doors is pretty much not as, you don't see them as much on the market anymore. Everyone's got them and storing them back, and the ones that's not stored back is in rougher shape than the 4-doors, so the 2-door conversion is more of an option. The trunk pan is solid. I got some content on that already. I can't pop it, I ain't got the key on me. If I did, trust me, it's solid. You see it in future videos. The back window is done out of it, but is in the car. That don't matter because it's not going back in it. The floorboards, from what I can tell, look okay. I mean, I don't think I'll fall through of them. I don't know if that's Bondo or if that's actual floorboard, but seems solid. It's got brakes. Supposedly the engine in it runs. It's got some kind of overdrive transmission, I've been told. I've not looked. I ain't even been underneath the car. I couldn't tell you. It's got a factory 307 that will be coming out of this. This is how I got it. Missing manifolds, motors unbolted. 2 transmission mount. Transmission's held in with 2 transmission bolts, what I meant. Aftermarket distributor. A 1 barrel of fuel, make it happen. Some fancy transmission lines, and a mini torque starter, and a new radiator. Everything opens and closes good. I don't know about the headlights and stuff, if the interior lights work, because I ain't put a battery in it. Besides once, and it seemed like the wiring issue needs gone over. This floorboard looks solid enough. The seats from like 1970s. I don't know if that's factory or not, but look like yeah, that classic 70s look. Lower fenders are solid-ish. Probably can be able to patch or buy that lower panel. Does got a dent up front. I think that's easy enough to fix. I got a 2-door car. Probably just do new quarter panels on the car. That seems to be the most logical because both quarter panels is rough, even on the 2-door car. Tail panel is solid enough. I think it's fixable. I think we can deal with the tail panel. This quarter is in a lot better shape, but still a little bit rusty underneath. And it sounds like it has had patch caps over another quarter. Maybe in its past it's been restored. I can't say for sure till we get into it. Does need a windshield. I mean, it's not cracked, but it has delaminated. I think that's what you call that. But we're pulling it out anyway to do the 2-door conversion, because the 2-door roof is different. This is different. The wind glasses is actually the same on the 2 doors, just different up here. You got more of a gap. The factory color on this car, I would say, I'm more partial to that old-fashioned green, but it's good enough for me. I think it's pretty solid.